The question is, find the voltage across R5. Okay, so how to find? Very simple. Suppose we take one notation, suppose this is plus, this is minus, then only we can write the voltage. Na? So plus and minus, this is given. So if we find the voltage across R5, what we will have to do? There are two sources, we will have to use both the sources one by one. Okay. So let us use it. Okay, now first thing is R1 is equals to 5 ohm and here 10 ohm. So take one only, means the one voltage source. Another voltage source we will short circuit. Okay. So how to do it? It is again a simple question, but you will have to do a little bit calculations. That is why I am telling you this. So 5 volts this is 5 ohm, here it is 7 ohm, here 11 ohm, 4 ohm, and R4 is again 8 ohm, like this we can do. Okay. So we will have to find voltage across this. So we will take it as ground. Okay, it will be easy for us. Now here V is here, voltage. So what is V? V that we have to calculate the voltage at this particular point. So how to calculate? Just use this source. So to use this source, we can do two things. First, we can calculate the current across this line. Then we can do current into 7, that is your voltage. Simple. Okay. So let us do something. There are many ways to find the voltage. So 5 volt here, V here, 7 ohm. First, we will simplify the circuit. Simplify means there are 3 resistance are here. We will have to convert, we will convert it into one resistance. Okay, that will be good. So 4 into 8. So 8 parallel to 4. How to calculate again? 8 into 4 divided by 8 plus 4. That is equals to 32 divided by 12. Okay. So 6 here 16. 3 here 8. That is 8 upon 3 ohm. Now 8 upon 3 is summed with 11 ohm. So 11 ohm plus 8 upon 3. So that is equals to 41 upon 3 ohm. Okay. So I will tell you the shortcut for means like if this type of how I calculated it. What you can do actually whenever you get this type of equation or this type of term you want to sum it, suppose how you sum it, don't take LCM and do every calculation, just do what, make the denominator equal. Okay, so denominator is 3 here, so how to make denominator 3 here? By multiplying by 3 and dividing by 3. So what will be there? 33 upon 3. Okay, so 3 and 3 it will come common, and 11 plus 33 plus 8 is 41. So like this you can do the fast calculation actually. Okay, if you take LCM and do everything, it will be long. So here it is 41 upon 3 ohm. Correct. Now, how to calculate V here? Now we can apply KCL here at this point. So applying KCL. How to apply KCL? When you want to apply for the KCL, write it as, suppose V minus 5. V minus 5 upon 5. Sorry, it is not volt, it is ohm. Okay. So V minus 5 upon 5 ohm. So plus V minus 0 upon 7. Correct? V minus 0. This is the ground. Plus V minus 0 upon 41 upon 3 is equals to 0. So how to calculate V now? To calculate V, we will have to solve this equation. So the equation has become a bit lengthy. So I hope I have not made any calculation mistake. So please check. Okay. 8 and 4 and this was 11. So it is correct, I think. 2 upon 12 and 8 upon 3. Yeah. Okay. It is correct. So V minus 5 upon 5 plus V upon 7 plus 3V upon 41 is equals to 0. Okay. So I told you earlier, to if you want to solve this type of equation, make the denominator equal. Okay. But sometimes it is very tough to make the denominator equal. Then you go for the LCM only, and you can use your calculator also. Okay. So this feature you can use your calculator. Let us see. So V minus 5 upon 5 plus V upon 7 plus 3V upon 41. So solve for V. So V value is 2.4. Okay, I am solving it directly. You can solve it on your own. Okay. So what it is? It is the value of V is equals to 2.4 volts. Correct. Now, what we will have to do? V is equals to 2.4 volts. So we got the V for due to this 5 volts. Okay, not for this 10 volt. So this we have got. Now we will have to use again. We will have to use this source only by removing this source. So how to remove this source? So now what we will have to do? We have to remove this source. So to remove this source, simply delete it. Okay. So, okay. Now, how to calculate it? Again, how to solve it? Make these simple. Okay. How to make it simple? This is your 5 ohm. This is again 5, sorry, 7 ohm. This is your 10 volt battery. This is your, how much we calculated it? 41 upon 3. Correct. So we have to calculate V here. Now this is V. Suppose you calculated due to V5. Here we will say V10 means due to 10 volt battery. Just a name. It is just a name. So how you do it? V10 minus 0 upon 5. Correct. This is the ground. Plus V minus 10 upon 7. Okay. Due to this branch. This 41 upon 3 plus V, this is 10, this is again 10, V minus 0 upon 41 upon 3. Correct. So what is the answer? How to write it? We will write directly V. So V upon 5 plus V minus 10 upon 7 plus V 3V divided by 41 is equals to 0. You can calculate it on your own using the calculator or anything. I will use this software. Correct. So Solve for B. It is 3.43. Okay. So value of B is equals to 3.43 volts. Correct. So V due to 10, this is V10 actually. V10 is equals to 3.43 volts, and that V is due to is 2.4 volts. Okay. So what is the answer? V is equals to 3.43 plus 2.4 volts.